Abigail and I'm going to show you how to study more effectively. The study skill we are looking at today is elaboration.
Elaboration is a study skill that involves explaining and describing ideas in as much detail as possible. It also involves making connections among ideas you are trying to learn. Elaboration involves asking further questions and making links to help you connect new information with what you already know. Ask yourself questions about a topic to explore it more deeply. The more information you have about a specific topic, the stronger your grasp and ability to recall it will be. For example, when you learn about the causes of World War I, you could ask which causes are linked together, which causes are short or long term, and what was the major cause. Another way to elaborate is to take two ideas or concepts and think about the ways in which they are similar and the ways in which they are different.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Bye!